Are there any decent pet insurance plans? I am personally a pet lover, especially dogs, and feel puppy as a best friend. Actually, they're the best kind of pet you could trust and take selfie with your best friend. Before you get a dog, you need to choose the best breed for you and your family that can mix up with your family. There is a right way and a wrong way to do this research. There are many important factors that must be considered before you buy a dog, from finding out if you are ready, to discovering the right breed to suit your lifestyle. While you search for a puppy, you must keep in mind the following questions in your mind so you can find your best friend. There are different sites and places where you can search your favorite breed. Puppy search websites can best provide you information or resources on adopting a dog or puppy. You want strong, outgoing, bossy, noisy, quiet, submissive, gentle. Which ones seem delicate or picked on? Properly vaccinated before they go to their new home? Whatever your preferences are, you must be selective based on above criteria. You can talk to some dog owners and prospective veterinary surgeons, as they will usually be happy to share their experience and can guide you to the right choice of breed. You can see local places to narrow down your search and navigate according to your needs. You can easily navigate the site and can refine your choice of dogs by gender, location, price range, and other factors. Here you can find AKC registered dogs as well. You should keep in mind that some dogs are bred for look and some for their ability to protect you. After you buy your favorite breed, then there comes a phase when you need to groom your dog for training to get lifetime commitment with your new friend. You should consider the following points. You should keep your dog close to you when walking it on a lead. You should train your dog to respect the countryside code. Pay special attention while feeding your dog. A balanced, nutritious diet with adequate food and water will keep your dog healthy. Register your dog with your local vet that can ensure annual health checks and adequately vaccinated. Take out pet insurance after doing comparison of pet insurers to cover any unforeseen injuries or illnesses. Yes, all 3 of my dogs have been insured since the moment they came home from the vets. Already my yellow lab has had treatment that will forever cost more than the amount of insurance I will pay for him. Because I had the insurance before he developed any problems. Problems that, if I had got him insured after he developed them, would have been considered pre-existing, and therefore not coverable. This included surgery for elbow displacement, which required treatment for a specialist clinic and cost in excess of £7,000. If he hadn't been insured, then I'd have had to pay that money, and I wouldn't have been able to afford it, so he would have had a short life in pain instead of a longer life pain-free, and then arthritis that is manageable with pain medication whenever it is cold or he has overdone it on a walk. Only a few months ago, he developed a fatty lump common in Labradors that didn't present like a fatty lump, so had to be removed for checking. If I had got the insurance after the lump developed, it'd be pre-existing, so not covered, and it'd have cost me £1,000. Insurance is a gamble. You might pay the money out and never need it, but you could also not pay the money for the insurance and find yourself in a situation where you are begging friends and family for the money you need to save your beloved pet. It's a choice. In my experience though, it's better to pay the monthly insurance fee and know you can get your pet the treatment they need when they need it. Because your dog might be healthy, that won't stop it having an accident, it won't stop it developing a disease such as cancer or an autoimmune one. It won't stop your dog eating a ping pong ball and needing it removed, or jumping out the car, landing twisted and needing a course of heavy-duty painkillers as he recovers from his injury. And, many pet insurance companies won't take on dogs once they pass a certain age. If they're already being covered, then they'll continue to cover them, but as new clients. Most won't, because the chances are they'll cost more than they'll make. When looking for pet insurance, it's best to stick with an insurance company whose sole focus is pets. I say this because while there are a few general insurance companies that are now offering you pet-centric plans, they're not well versed in the field. As a result, these are untested waters for them, which could result in some issues in the long run. A good place to start would be an insurance aggregator that'll give you a list of insurance companies to choose from. One pet insurance company you could explore is Waggle. When you go through their site, you'll see they're fully digital based. They try to be as transparent as possible when it comes to pet insurance, making it super user-friendly. They offer your pet lifetime insurance along with added discounts on a variety of pet brands that suit your dog. Moreover, they'll offer you expert advice on aspects like diet to ensure that your dog stays healthy. Once you've thoroughly checked a service like Waggle out, you can compare it with a list of other options on an insurance aggregator site and decide which one suits your furry companion the best. As for the price, it'll largely depend on the breed and age of your dog. Sadly, some breeds are more susceptible to certain ailments and that risk only increases with age, so in that scenario you may be looking at a higher premium.